If your Philips TV is stuck, frozen, or just not responding, don't panic. This happens more often than you think, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it with simple steps you can try safely at home. No tools, no risky repairs, and no data loss. Just quick, effective methods that actually work. Let's start with the fastest fix for Philips Roku TVs. If your TV is frozen or won't respond to the remote, grab your Roku remote and make sure the TV is turned on. Then press the home button 5 times, the up arrow once, followed by the rewind button twice, and then the fast forward button twice. After a few seconds, your screen should go black and the Philips logo will appear as the TV restarts. That's how you'll know it's working. This trick forces a soft restart and refreshes your TV's system memory without deleting any apps or settings. It's one of the quickest ways to unfreeze your TV when it stops responding. If that didn't do the trick, don't worry. This next step often works when the TV is completely unresponsive. Turn off your Philips TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. If your model has a physical power button, press and hold it for about 30 seconds while it's unplugged. This drains any leftover static electricity stored inside, which can clear temporary glitches. If your TV doesn't have a physical power button, skip that step. Now, leave the TV unplugged for about a minute, then plug it back into the wall and turn it on. This works like a soft reset, similar to restarting a computer, and can fix problems like no picture, freezing, or slow response. If your TV still isn't behaving properly, it might be time for a full factory reset. For Philips Android TVs, grab your remote and go to Settings, then All Settings, then General Settings, and select Reinstall TV. This will erase your saved apps, Wi-Fi information, and personal settings, returning your TV to its original state. For Philips Roku TVs, press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and choose Factory Reset. From there, select Factory Reset Everything. This will clear out any corrupted data or software bugs and give you a clean start. If you have a model with a small reset button or pinhole near the ports, you can also use that method. Turn your TV on and use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds. You'll see the TV power off and restart. That means the reset process has started. This option works just like a factory reset and is perfect if your screen is frozen or your remote isn't responding. Here's a quick bonus tip. If your TV keeps freezing or responding slowly even after a reset, check for software updates in the settings menu. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause performance issues or crashes, and updating it can make a big difference. Hopefully one of these fixes helped get your Philips TV working again. If it did, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. It might help others watching too. And if this video saved your TV, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and stay tuned for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.